Hello everyone and welcome for a new video. So this video will be a little tour of my art studio. There's no fancy thing, I try to keep it simple. Here it's a little bit messy, we are the morning and yeah, I will clean everything. I have these little drawers full of paint that I need to upgrade for something more efficient. Here is my last little painting that I've made for a video course on Patreon. You can check the link down below. And this is my glass palette that I always use. I've thrifted these two Kallax IKEA furniture, and then I've upgraded with new hardware and I've painted on the drawers. Here are all of my little markers and crayons and all the tools that I use. And here are all the artwork that I keep away from dust. So that's basically it. Here is my little studio. I have a workspace station for video editing with my computer. And yeah, here it is, my little art studio tour. Okay, so that was it for my 2-minute art studio tour. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Actually, there was a lot of artwork hanging on the walls, but since we are moving at the end of May, I've cleaned the wall and everything. I will have a new studio. It will not be a larger one, but a better one. I will try to make my room more efficient with more space to work on. And yeah, you will see it in a new video. If you're interested, I also have videos on my Patreon, full tutorials with all of my little secrets and how I paint with acrylics. It includes older videos, and the new ones. I wish you all a nice day. Thank you for watching and see you for a new video. Bye guys.